guys, welcome to Casual Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing Loot Anime. What Loot Anime box is a box filled with anime stuff. So if you're a fan of anime, check them out. The only thing with Loot Crate, period, their boxes are always late. They are not very punctual. I mean, they do get to you eventually, but not too punctual. So that's the only complaint I have. Let's see what's in this month's box. Okay, in this month's box we have, what do we have? Action. I guess that's the theme. Action theme. Okay, and I see a t-shirt, purple, which is cool. I dig purple, I can wear purple. Let's see what's in it. Alita, Battle Angel. Cool. Not familiar because I don't watch too much anime. But here's the design. And here's the logo. Loot Crate does have some nice t-shirts, I gotta say. As bad as they are with their shipping, their t-shirts are pretty awesome, and I do dig them. So let me try this t-shirt on. Here it is. So I like it. I actually do like it. I like the color and I like the design. The t-shirt is soft. It's not like a heavy print. It's not a heavy print, but the t-shirt is very soft. So I do like it. Let's move on. Next item we have. What is this? Juni Tyson Zodiac War Bamboo Fiber Cup. Oh, cool. I've never had a fiber cup. I've never had a bamboo fiber cup before. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. And it's a Loot Crate exclusive. Let's take it out. Let's see what it looks like. I drink coffee, so I will definitely put it to use. If I can get it out of the bag. Oh, cool. So it's got a little insulator, and this is the cup. Oh, this is really nice. I like this. Almost feels like porcelain, but it's not. It's made from bamboo fiber. So yeah, I like this. This is awesome. I will definitely put it to good use. Okay, so that's that. And next we have manga. Goblin Slayer. I'll show you in a second what's inside. It looks like a novel versus your traditional manga book. So I will read this as well. I'll add it to the stack of books I have on my shelf. Okay, next item we have Land of the Lustrous. Lustrous? And I'll take it out of its wrapping. This way you can see better. It's a pin, Land of the Lustrous. I'll probably save this for a giveaway. And we have socks. Naruto socks. Ninja. Cool. These are pretty cool. They're kind of long, but I will wear them. I'll wear them to work. So, I like these. Nice color, black and red. Can't complain. What's next? We have... What is this? It's a headscarf, a handkerchief. And I don't know who this is. Let's see. Let me show you up close. or on this camera, should I say. And this is Claymore Funimation Loot Crate exclusive. Here's the tag. Cool. I'm not sure what I will use this for, but I'll keep it. Maybe I'll use it as like a bib when I'm eating or when I'm robbing a bank. No, that's it. I'm just kidding. I don't rob banks. That's it. Let's see. So the cup is awesome. The shirt is awesome. Socks are cool. This I don't know because I haven't read it yet. And this is okay, I guess. Let's see the poster. Claymore bandana, that's what it's called, okay? So t-shirt, Battle Angel t-shirt is cool. Zodiac War cup. Naruto Shippuden socks. Shippuden. And Goblin Slayer light novel. And Land of the Lustrous pin. Okay, I'll give this box a... Oh, let's see the poster. I'm totally almost omitted this. So, who's on this poster? Juni Tyson Zodiac War. So, I will give this box a 7 out of 10. No, I'll give it 8 out of 10. I really like the cup, and I love the t-shirt. Specifically, socks are cool as well, like I said before. Yeah, 8 out of 10 it gets. Let me know if you agree or disagree. And let me give you guys a $5 gift card to Amazon. So, I will be giving these out randomly, as I said in my previous videos, if you've watched them. So sometimes it'll be at the beginning of the video, sometimes at the end, sometimes not at all. So it just varies. There you go. Okay, let me know if you cash it out. Comment below, and I'll post the links to this crate below if you're interested in getting one. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.